Salam sejahtera and hello everyone. I'm Elvin Wong. Today I'm with Muhammad Ahmad Jafri and Aliyah, and we are going to present about our project Remote Control Lawnmower. For the problem statement, in our opinion, conventional lawnmower is not effective as it is powered by diesel or petrol. And it also requires manpower to push the lawnmower when you are mowing. Other than that, some lawnmower models even need to start the engine manually by using manpower or hand. And then, lastly, engine-powered lawnmower is not eco-friendly as it releases a lot of CO2 and carbon monoxide. So, based on our problem statement, we expected our product to be electric-powered with battery and can be recharged. To solve the problem of man pushing, we would like to design our product as remotely controlled lawnmower. Then, we want our product to have a long effective control distance, which can bring a lot of convenience for the user and the customer. Now I will continue with the house of quality. As you can see, this is our house of quality. The customer requirement is obtained from the survey we done a few weeks ago. Based on the result of the survey, we decided to emphasize high durability, lightweight, small in size, and also high control distance. By doing some calculation between the relationship of customer requirement and engineering requirement, we can obtain the rank order of the engineering requirement.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia Azira binti Rizwan and I will present about the product design specification. Product design specification is the first phase in the mechanical design process to define all the required function of the design and highlight constraints. First, I would like to share about the product identification of this product. The product's name is Remote Control Lawnmower. When we heard about the lawnmower, we know it works to trim and cut the long and unnecessary weed or grass. We have upgraded the traditional lawnmower to the electrical lawnmower which can be controlled by remote control. It has high range coverage so it can be controlled from afar. This product is easy to store and an eco-friendly product because it did not use any petrol or diesel that can harm environment. Then, I will talk about the market identification. Our product target market is for all generation who has an outdoor yard. Since this product is easy to use, it is suitable for all ages. For the market demand, we hope that it has been sold to at least one per family. And the competing product for our product is the existing product that is already in the market because everyone needs some time to adapt to the new product. Physical description is divided by two, which is design variable and constraint. I will explain about the design variable first. For design variable, our product has small size which is 40 cm in length, 40 cm in wide, and 10 cm in height with estimate weight of 15 kg. We use a high-speed performance motor to rotate the blade. The battery life can be up to 2 hours after fully charged. Last thing for the design variable, this product is effective to work in 10 meter range from the controller. There are two constraints for this product. Firstly, it needs to be used in dry condition to protect the electrical component inside the lawnmower. And the other constraint is this lawnmower need to be avoided by any obstacles such as rock. Next, we will go through about the financial requirement. Overall process for making this product required 350 ringgit including all works and utility uses. We are giving 2-month warranty for this product if there is any problem issue. The last part for the product design specification is life cycle target. Our group member have discussed that this product can be long lasting if it is being maintained frequently. It need to be maintained at least once a month. This product does not require high cost installation since it just needs to be fully charged before it is going to use. Lastly, it has good reliability, but it also depends on the user's usage and how they handle it.
Now let's us proceed with the morphological chart. For the tire type, we have three types of tire, which is threaded tire, smooth tire, and also airless tire. For the number of motor of wheel, we have two motor powering two wheel, two motor four-wheel drive, and also one motor. For the number of blades, we have one blade and two blades. For the battery type, we have lithium-ion battery only. For the type of motor we use in our design, we have DC motor, AC motor, and also universal motor. Lastly, we have power transmission with the choice of belt, chain, and also shaft.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amr Zafri bin Muhammad Don, and I will present the Gantt chart results from our survey and my early concept design for our lawnmower. Okay, first is the Gantt chart. From the chart shown here, we will brief by our lecturer from the second to the third week. The first meeting was held in the third week too for the purpose of discussing and distributing tasks of the creation of the proposal and the early concept development. The early concept evaluation and design finalization were planned to take place during week 3 and 4 respectively, but still unsure when we will do it. The computer-aided drawing or CAD drawing was planned to occur in the span of week 4 till 9. The proposed time duration for the assembly of parts is going to take roughly 4 weeks, ranging from week 10 till 13. The writing of the final report will take another 4 weeks, ranging from week 11 to 14. Last but not least, we'll submit the report in week 15. For the next part, we'll look at the survey results. For the time duration allocated for obtaining the results were around 2 weeks and 2 days. We only managed to get a total of 20 people to answer this survey in that span of time. There's a total of 4 questions in this survey. The first question asks if the respondents have had any experiences with lawnmowers prior to answering this survey. Out of those 20 respondents, 8 of them have used a lawnmower and 12 of them haven't. The next question is about which lawnmower characteristics that are the most desirable to the respondents, ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. For lightweight, 10 respondents are neutral about this aspect. For waterproofing, overall a total of 15 respondents agree, but surprisingly 2 of them disagree with waterproofing the lawnmower. For a higher control coverage, a majority of them agree with this feature. For long life battery, unexpectedly, most of the respondents agree and strongly agree with this aspect as well. For small in size, a portion of them are neutral, while the rest agree and strongly agree with this feature. For ease of maintenance, the majority of course agree and strongly agree with this point. For quick charging, once again pretty much everyone agree and strongly agree with this feature. For higher cutting speed, the majority vote was evenly split between 7 respondents for agree and then another 7 for strongly agree, while the rest were neutral about it. For higher durability, once again, pretty much everyone agree and strongly agree with this aspect. The third question is about the price of the mower that the respondents are willing to pay. Out of the 20 respondents, 7 of them are inclined to pay 500 to 1,000 ringgit, while the rest of them are compliant to pay 1,000 to 1,500 ringgit. For the final question, we asked the respondents for any features that should be added to the mower. Out of the 20 respondents, we got add hazard sensors to the front and to the back of the lawnmower. Second point, to increase the control range. Third point, to install lights on the lawnmower. Fourth point, to add a self-cleaning feature. Last but not least, speed control for cutting blades and the mower itself. Finally, I'll present my early concept remote control lawnmower. This design shows various views of the mower, which include top, front, side, bottom, and isometric view. This design come to fruition with the idea of a simple, basic, yet cost-effective exterior design. The main body, which can be seen as I pointed in the drawing, is a simple rectangle box to store electronics and power supply. The top cover has a curved light shape. This is so that more internal items can be stored if it doesn't fit the body entirely. I opted for small dual cutting blades instead of one big cutting blade because it can cut grass with better efficiency as it has less stress on the motor. The tires of the mower should be thick in terms of diameter and thickness, purely for the longevity of the mower. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now I will proceed with the conceptual design. So this is the conceptual design 1. In this design, we have threaded tire, 2 DC motor 4-wheel drive, 1 blade design, and also chain transmitting power from motor to the tire.
Now I will explain my conceptual design. My design consists of tire, gear and shaft, body cover, power box supply, motors, batteries, blade and remote holder. This is the top view of my design. The body cover was made from a plastic since it's more durable and lighter in weight. The tires type for this design is rubber type and they were connected to gear and shaft. It also has a remote holder so it can keep the remote safe when it not being used. It also has a power supply box. In power supply box, there were 6 lithium-ion battery that been soldered with the battery protection board. Battery protection board was used to produce energy to move the motor to rotate the blades and tire. From the bottom view, we can see that it used 2 blades to complete the design and all the bottom part was protected with plastic cover. For the blades part, rotary blades were used to cut the weed and grass. Both blades were connected with DC motor that connect to the power supply. I think that's all from our group. I hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you.